Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Level English. Today, we've got an exciting challenge for you, a 40-question grammar quiz to test your knowledge. Ready to put your skills to the test? Let's get started. 1. Select the correct one. I didn't know that. Tips: after didn't, use the base form of the verb. 2. Which of these sentences uses the correct word order? I am always happy. Tips: the adverb always usually goes before the adjective. 3. Choose the correct sentence with proper punctuation. He said he would come tomorrow. Tips: no commas are needed between the subject and verb. 4. Choose the correct sentence. The children are playing outside. Tips: use our four plural subjects like children. 5. Which of these sentences is correct? She does not like pizza. Tips: use does with singular subjects like she. 6. Which one is correct? He doesn't like it. Tips: doesn't is used for third-person singular subjects. 7. Which sentence is correct? I can play the guitar. Tips: after can, use the base form of the verb. 8. Choose the correct form. She can sing well. Tips: sing is the base form of the verb after can. 9. Which sentence is correct? She is taller than me, isn't she? Tips: isn't she is the correct tag question form. 10. Which of the following sentences is in passive voice? The book was read by her. Tips: in passive voice, the subject is the recipient of the action. 11. Choose the right one. She is the smartest of us. Tips: smartest is already the superlative form, no need to add most. 12. Select the right sentence. I've been to the park last week. Tips: use I've been for experiences in the past, without specifying when. 13. Choose the correct sentence. She's taller than me. Tips: use taller for comparisons between two things, not more taller. 14. Which of the following is a question? What are you doing? Tips: questions often start with auxiliary verbs like are, is, do. 15. Which of these sentences is grammatically correct? She doesn't like coffee. Tips: with he or she or it and does, use the base verb without s. 16. Which one is correct? I will buy a car. Tips: after will, use the base form of the verb. 17. Identify the correct sentence. I can't swim. Tips: after can, use the base form of the verb. 18. Which sentence is correct? They enjoy playing football. Tips: use the base form enjoy for plural subjects like they. 19. Choose the correct option. I can sing well. Tips: the modal can is always followed by the base form of the verb. 20. Choose the right form. She has gone to school. Tips: gone is the past participle of go used with the auxiliary verb has. 21. Select the right form. He is smarter than her. Tips: smarter is the correct comparative form, not more smarter. 22. Identify the correct sentence. This is easier than that. Tips: more is not needed with comparatives formed by adding er. 23rd. Which one is correct? The children were playing. Tips: were is used for plural subjects in the past tense. 24. What is the correct form of the verb? They don't like pizza. Tips: with they, always use don't followed by the base verb. 25. Identify the correct sentence. She enjoys playing tennis. Tips: use the gerund, ing form, after enjoy. 26. Choose the correct option. She is taller than her brother. Tips: comparatives like taller do not need more or most. 27. Which of these is correct? There are 5 people in the room. Tips: people is plural, so use are instead of is. 28. Choose the correct word. I will be there in 5 minutes. Tips: use in 4 periods of time such as minutes, hours, or days. 29. Which sentence is correct? The books are on the table. Tips: since books is plural, use are instead of is. 30. Which sentence is correct? I will go to the market. Tips: after will, use the base form of the verb, not the past form. 31. Which sentence is correct? The book is on the table. Tips: on is used for surfaces, while in refers to inside something. 32. Which sentence is correct? She will call when she arrives. Tips: use present simple after when for future events. 33. Choose the correct option. I have never seen him. Tips: in negative sentences with have, use never without not. 34. Which sentence is correct? The teacher speaks English. Tips: speaks is the correct form for third person singular subjects. 35. Choose the correct form. She's better than him. Tips: use better when comparing two things, not best. 36. Choose the correct sentence. We enjoy swimming at the beach. Tips: use the gerund form, ing, after enjoy. 37. Identify the correct sentence. Neither John nor Mary came. Tips: nor is used in negative correlative pairs with neither. 38. Choose the correct option. I would like to go to the party. Tips: after would like, use the base verb with to, infinitive form. 39. Choose the right sentence. She can sing well. Tips: can is a modal verb and is followed by the base form of the verb. 40. Choose the correct form of the verb. He to the gym every morning. Goes. Tips: use the correct subject verb agreement. How did you do? Let us know your score in the comments, hit that like button if you enjoyed the quiz, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing grammar challenges. Keep learning, and we'll catch you in the next one.